Okay, this is a quick demonstration of Trinity trend dashboard, which I made tradable. Um, if you open it on one chart and you hover, it will open a second chart on the right for you. And then if you hover between the pairs, it changes immediately. Absolutely spot on. And you can buy, sell, or close. And these arrows on the right, they tell you the trend is up and the stochastic is below 40. Trend up below 40. Trend down above 60. Trend down above 60. Trend down above 60. Parallel means the price and the 10 and the 20. Actually, I've got a 5 and a 10 here. 5 and 10 and the price is parallel. The moment it appears, it's a very good place to buy, even if you're on crash. So there, I just did a buy now. Did it do it? Okay, it didn't do it. Where am I now? It wouldn't do it now. I don't know why. Okay, and just check how nice I can close. If I see those profits, there's 80 cents. I can close it, and it's easy to close. Okay, so it's very easy to trade here. The cross here, the X is SMA. It will give you a cross as soon as it. There we go, and each bar it will change. So you can see this pair now is just crossed below the 20. This is a good place now to wait for the first pullback and do a Joe trade. There's a parallel. There's a parallel. Can you see the parallel going up? Okay, so it's a good place to buy. Let me buy. I'm going to buy twice. Why don't I get my buy going in? It must be my stop loss is too close. I'll fix it up. The parallel down. Can you see? Parallel down. Cross above. See that green cross above the yellow? Okay, the parallel up. Okay, and that's basically it. So this tells you the open profit and loss. So if you see profit and you want to close it, all you do is you go to the C. And just look here how quickly it flips up and down from the one chart to the next. So if you want to trade and you don't want to look at arrows here, yeah, you can just go here and look. See, if you look there now, the trend is it measures over the last 6 candles. So that line looks up and then your stochastic is low. See here too, it's pointing, the yellow is pointing up 80 degrees and the stochastic is sitting at 0. This is a good place to buy. Let's do a buy there. I have to tweak this still. The stop loss is a bit too close and it doesn't want to do that. Okay, let's look here. Parallel up. That's a good place to buy as well. Let's do a buy. There we go. It will go up to the top, and if it spikes down, it will stop. So you can walk away from it. So basically, this gives you your total profit on it for the day. Every night, zero out at the middle of the night. And this is your open profit. And if you see profits there, you can close, or you can go and have a look and see, okay, that one is going to hit the stop loss there. So maybe remove it or move it higher and just grab another sell. So we don't crash 1000, maybe grab another sell there. I don't recommend that, but that's another way to actually do it. Okay. Why didn't it want to sell now? Somehow there's a little glitch in my thing which I'll fix up. Parallel up, that's a good place to buy. Close to the 10 there. Okay, there is a buy. Okay, this one is getting a bit of profit. Yeah, that's basically it. Making it really easy.